Oh my gosh! Yeah, Meow, you better leave. You guys are letting Meow lay on you, and you guys are being so lazy. We need to go outside for once. It's okay, Bonbon. But Bonnie, you know better.
Oh! Do you know the dangers of outside?
There's really no danger.
One time, these people tried to attack me, and I almost died!
Look, there's no dangers outside. We're just gonna be going in the backyard. Bonnie! Bonnie will listen. Spider-Man, we need to go outside. Okay, you'll hold me. I like going outside anyways. Okay.
Ow!
Come on.
Oh!
Okay, so you see why I brought you guys out here? It's so nice, ain't it? Bonnie, are you so bored?
Oh! The wind blew me down!
Oh crap, it's another windy day. Well, good thing I have spider powers. Hey, Sunflower. No, I have spider powers. I can literally stand on the ground and not be affected. Well, we will have a nice day out. We will have an. Can I talk now? Okay. We will have a nice day outside, and we will do it in style. I'm running towards the wind.
Oh, idiot! Oh!
You want me? I can just walk, cause I'm fine. Okay. Well, this is a nice day. What was that? Who's doing that?
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Too far?
No.
Woo!
Well, time to jump.
Woo!
If only we had Bill Nye the Science Guy with us, he would tell us why wind would happen. I wish Bill Nye could come to my house right now and say hello. Ow. Ow. Okay, yeah, Spider-Man didn't hit me.
The bunny guy is here!
Oh crap, Bill Nye the bunny guy. Get off of me, Bill Nye! The bunny guy.
Okay. Today is very windy, and you better put on a coat or something to protect you from this horrid wind. And you better have an umbrella if you want to fly away.
You want to know how Bill Nye actually explained wind in one of his episodes?
I am Bill Nye! You got this wrong, Bill Nye!
You're Bill Nye the bunny guy! You're a parody of him, okay?
No.
You'll hold me, you're smart, okay? But you're just a parody of him.
Bill Nye the bunny guy is true. Wind causes by clouds when they get angry and they blow. God's vacuum.
It's God's. You'll hold me, it's God's vacuum cleaner. That's all we need to know. Why do you guys like to float so much?
Oh!
Ow! What was that, Bo?
Oh!
That's right. Come on, button it. Yay! Running's good. It's so windy. Whoa! Oh, hey, Bonnet. Bonnet, you're supposed to be falling. Why do I always deserve this stuff? Look at him. Look at that beast. Let's go tame the beast! The the beast! Get the beast! Get that beast! Is it a dog or a beast? Eh. I will tame you, beast! This for you, my little coconut. Nyeh. She loves that thing. She does.
Punch!